Hi, this is Steve from the G Suite Tips team here in the UK, and you can find us online at our website, gsuitetips.com, and you can follow us on Twitter and Google Plus, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel for all these videos. So today's tip is called and is about how to set an expiration date for file access or file sharing. And I'm going to explain what I mean. So I'm in Google Drive here, and I'm in my Drive projects. So I'm going to imagine that I'm going to be creating a new project folder, which is going to be shared with various people. And it might be including some people that are outside my organization. And maybe it's appropriate that they have access to this folder for a period of time. And then at the end of the project, I would close their access down. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to right click on the background and create a new folder. And I'm going to call this one project ABC. Okay. And create it. And so right now this project is shared with nobody. We can see that there, and we can see that I'm the owner and nobody else has got access. So I'm going to right click on the background here and click on the project name, sorry, and click share. Okay. And I'm just going to click through to advanced and have a look. I might change this so that anyone in my company, Refractive 2, can find it and access it with view access. That sounds like a good thing to set. And then I'm going to add an external collaborator. This is actually an internal name, but I'm going to imagine that was an external person. And I hope you can too. Give them write access or edit access. I'll turn off the notification. We don't need to send a message. And I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to say OK there as well. And then here we have it's now shared with Mark. Okay, he is an internal user, same domain as me, but let's imagine he was an external freelance consultant or something. So I'm just going to come out of here and we can see Project ABC. We've got the share icon on there now. So we can see it's shared and we can see I'm the owner. And we can see that Mark can edit and that anyone in the company, Refractive 2, can find it and have view access. So if I click on here again, or if I'm clicked on to a files or a folder, so this one, Project ABC, I can also click here to get the sharing access. And just interestingly, if I click through, you can also get to it from here. So click down there and share. All the same command essentially. So here's the sharing options. I could add other people if I wanted to, but I want to click on through advanced. And I can see that Mark's got access. And if you see a roll over it, there's a little timer comes up, a little timer, set expiry. So let's just imagine that this project will run through the summer and finish in August, for example. So I can say, put a custom date on. So I'm going to say, right, we've got a nice little project for a few months, and it should all be finished by the end of August, and put that on there. And so Mark's access will expire in 128 days or 31st of August, 2018. If I wanted to, I could cancel that expiry, but I've just set it up. So I'm just going to click in here, save changes and done. Okay, and then that will just automatically expire. I don't have to remember anything. If the project overruns or is extended for some reason, then I would need to remember to come back in. Okay, click on the sharing, click on advanced, and maybe I'd need to extend it. So we'll just add something onto here, or at the time I might just add extra 30 days. Okay, at that point in time, and save the changes. And that is it. It's as simple as that, really. A really nice feature that was dropped into Google Drive a couple of years ago, and has been very helpful, especially when you're dealing with people that aren't necessarily going to have permanent access to your data and files. So thank you very much for watching. Reminder that we're at gsuitetips.com. We can be found on Twitter and on Google Plus, where you can follow our posts and, of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much indeed for watching. Do leave some comments if you have any, and we'll see you on the next one.